Hey, I'm Willow Ryan. Today I'm teaching you abless abs with a roll. I'm teaching this to you because it's very common that clients, patients, students, friends, family, that people have weakened or underdeveloped strength in their abdominal muscles. It's also very common that I hear that students, people have a hard time doing any kind of abdominal exercise. Sit-ups, crunches, bicycles, leg lifts. These types of things require a great deal of strength that's already predominant throughout the belly and the core. Now, if people don't have that strength, where it's weakened, then how are they going to do those exercises without losing the integrity, without cranking on their neck or clenching their jaw or using some other body part? It does them a big disservice. With abless abs with the roll, we're working very precisely, recruiting the glutes, the strength of the glutes, as well as the rectus abdominis. You'll need a roll. It can be a yoga mat folded up in thirds lengthwise, then rolled up and secured by bands. Rubber bands will work fine. You can also use a towel. You'll start by laying on padding on your back. Grab your roll, place it between your thighs, right against pubic bone. Fingertips press in towards sit bones, the bones that your hamstrings attach to. Shoulder blades down. To begin, inhale a full breath into your rib cage. Contract your glutes and then let them relax. Do this several times so you feel where your glutes are and get a sense for flexing them, independent of any other activity. Do this about 3 to 5 times. Second piece, fingertips stay at sit bones. Inhale. Contract your glutes, send sit bones up towards knees. Long, slow exhale, squeezing the roll and lifting sit bones up. Top edge of the sacrum stays down. Release pelvis. Expand your ribs with your inhale. Contract sit bones up towards knees. Long exhale, use your glutes to lift the pelvis, top of the sacrum stays down, and squeeze thighs. Release pelvis. Inhale. Sit bones, reach up towards knees. Long exhale, squeezing inner thighs. Use your glutes again to lift up. But you're not lifting your back up all the way off the floor. Keep the top end of the sacrum down. Press low back down, shoulders down. Release. Inhale. Contract glutes, sit bones up, squeeze thighs. Long exhale, continue squeezing the thighs. Feel for the inner thigh bones and deep in the inner belly working here, as well as your glutes. Release pelvis. Then relax your arms. Do 3 to 5 more without your fingertips. Curling sit bones towards knees, top of the sacrum down. Squeeze thighs on your exhale. Release. Contract up, squeeze. Release. Slow inhale. Use glutes. Curl sit bones up towards knees. Squeeze thighs together. Shoulders back. Neck and jaw soft. You can also feel right around the inguinal ligament or the hip flexors. As you press your low back down, you'll feel this area Can I get turned on? And then release. I did 3. You can do several more as needed. Then to come out, sit your rolled up mat off to the side. Ease over onto your side. And press yourself up. I'd recommend doing 3 to 5 Abless abs with a roll 2 to 3 times a day. This will help you feel precise, small movements happening inside your belly, and it will alleviate stress around your back. Start with that, and then slowly and incrementally work your way to elbow to knee, another Forest Yoga abdominal, as well as adding in other crunches, sit-ups, back supporting abdominals. Have a wonderful day. If you have questions, you can contact me, imagine@willowryan.com, or through Breaking Muscle. Make today fabulous.